I'm Kate. I'm a freelancer living in Dubai, and today I'm giving you a full tour of my brand new apartment in Dubai Hills. I've been living here for a little while and I honestly love it. It's super cozy, functional, and fits my work from home lifestyle perfectly. So, if you're curious on how a $1,800 per month apartment looks like, with everything set up, this video is just for you. And it's been super easy. It's one bedroom apartment in Collective Tower 2, right in the heart of Dubai Hills, and it's $1,800 per month with everything included, meaning that there are no additional fees for cooling, utilities, Wi-Fi, maintenance, and community events. I just pay one amount monthly and that's it. It's fully furnished, like completely move-in ready, which was a perfect option for me as someone who freelances and works from home a lot. It's 10 minutes away from Dubai Hills Park and around 17 minutes driving from Dubai Mall, so location-wise I feel like I'm close to everything, but at the same time not in the heart of the chaos. So enough talking, let us see the apartment. The bedroom's really cozy. I didn't have to buy a thing. Everything was provided. The pillows, bed linen, up to spare sheets. And I love the small details like blackout curtains, the lamps. It's super simple, but it still feels like home. Now to the living space, which has a bit of everything. I work, chill, eat here. I've got a comfy sofa, a little desk set up, the TV. It's not huge, but it has everything I need and suits me perfectly. The kitchen is functional and well equipped. Like, I didn't have to buy a single appliance. Here we have fridge, cooker, oven, microwave kettle, everything I may need. Up to dishes and all the stuff. And as for the size of the apartment, the kitchen's pretty well stocked. I love it. Here's the bathroom. It came with a nice bathroom set and a shelf where I can keep my body and face care, and it has a small storage space with a washing machine, a drying rack, a broom and a shovel, and a mop. And here's my favorite part of the whole apartment, the balcony with a nice view overlooking Dubai Hills Villas area. Sometimes I sit here in the evening, drinking tea or just enjoying the sunset after work, and there is something in the air that makes everything feel a little slower in a nice way. So it's my little escape without leaving the apartment. And the building, I didn't expect to love it as much as I do. There is a gym that actually makes me want to work out. A chill lounge downstairs with the books and cozy chairs, perfect for working or just zoning out. The pool is beautiful too. I've had a few mornings where I just grabbed a coffee and sat by the water before starting work. It really does feel more like a little community than just a building. So this is my little place in Dubai Hills. It's not huge, but it feels like me, you know? It's super quiet, cozy, and fits my lifestyle perfectly. So if you're moving to Dubai, I hope this video gave you an insight on how things are. And a big shout out to CoLife for making things that easy. I literally just moved in and started living. So write in the comments, would you live in this apartment or would you change anything? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay for more. See you. Bye bye.